If you want to insert a SIM card into iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, if you do have the SIM tray on the left side of the phone over here, then in that case you can use the SIM eject tool that you should be able to find inside the box, and you need to put it into this little hole that we have on the SIM tray. There we go. And then once you are in, just use a little bit of force and push it into that hole to make the SIM tray pop out like this. And then you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. Now in my case, I already have my SIM card inserted into the SIM tray, but that is not a problem. We can easily remove it. And now you just need to take a look at the shape of the SIM tray, and we need to simply put the SIM card into the SIM tray, match the shape of the slot, of course. There we go. This is how it looks like. And then once you insert the SIM card into the slot, just put the SIM tray back into the phone, push it all the way in with your finger, and make sure that it doesn't stick out. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.